Hello and namaste my dear crafty friends. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. As promised, today I am sharing DIY Infinity Stones notebook and bookmarks from the movie Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you do, then please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because next week I am sharing Baby Groot squishy. Now let's get started. First, you will need some kind of silicone gemstone mold. I am using a mold by a YouTuber named Rosanna Pansino. If you like cooking videos, then I am sure you knew her already. Then you will need a hot glue gun. Now pour a generous amount of hot glue in each gemstone cavity. Then keep it aside to dry. After drying, you can easily pop it out. And your basic infinity stones are ready. If you don't have hot glue gun, then you can also use air dry clay like I'm showing here. If you want recipe for the air dry clay, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will definitely share that with you. Now use the mold to make similar gemstones we made earlier and let this clay air dry for 10 to 12 hours. If you don't have gemstone mold, then also you can make infinity stones by just randomly shaping air dry clay like I'm showing here. These are pretty easy to make and MCU movies have similar irregular shape infinity stones. Then let these stones air dry for 10 to 12 hours. Now let's color these infinity stones. First, I am coloring Mind Stone with pearl yellow acrylic color. You will need to apply 2 to 3 coats to make it completely opaque. Next, I am coloring Time Stone with pearl green acrylic color. Then, I am painting Reality Stone with pearl red acrylic color. Next, I am coloring Soul Stone with pearl orange acrylic color. Next, I am coloring Power Stone with pearl acrylic violet color. Now, I am painting Space Stone with pearl blue acrylic color. Now, let's color these air dry infinity stones that we made earlier. Similarly, color the air dry infinity stones made with the help of mold. Now I have die cut out infinity stone names out of white cardstock and I am coloring it with respective stone colors. If you don't have these similar alphabets, then you can also use colored markers. Now let's make matching infinity stones notebook. First, cover the notebook with black acrylic color. Then let it completely dry. Now stick all the words we made earlier with a liquid glue. And our Avenger theme Infinity Stones notebook is ready. Now to make bookmarks, take a paper clip and then add a generous amount of hot glue on top of it. And then attach infinity stone and leave it to dry. And our infinity stone bookmarks are ready. I love the way it looks with matching infinity stone notebook. Now you can make similar bookmarks with these infinity stones which are made out of air dry clay. Or you can attach these stones on notebook with hot glue gun to make perfect infinity stones themed notebook. And our Avenger theme Infinity Stone notebook is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or ideas, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I will do my best to make that happen. If you recreate this DIY, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIYWithZini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!